Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are sick of cord clutter on your nightstand, then let me introduce you to this 3-in-1 charger.
Meet your all-in-one charging solution, the Eazpower 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging station. This foldable station lets you power up your phone, watch, and headphones all at the same time without having any tangled cords or multiple chargers. Its MagSafe alignment ensures a secure, precise fit, while it is compact and foldable that makes it perfect for travel or bedside use. If you need some light at night, it has a built-in LED nightlight that has three adjustable brightness levels so you can get the glow you need without disturbing your rest, which puts this particular charger at the top of my favorites list.
In my opinion, this is the perfect little charger to keep your nightstand clutter free and keep all of your devices charged and organized. I couldn't love this more if I tried. So, you need to definitely get one, and that is my point of view.